So what do hardcore snorers really sound like? If you're not a hardcore snorer, if you don't saw lumber while you slumber, then don't watch this commercial. Instead of her shaking, kicking, and begging you to be quiet, now you can. And worn at night, Be Quiet helps reduce the snore so you can sleep more. Breathing equals hardcore snoring and acts like a sound amplifier that keeps the whole family awake. But Be Quiet's anti-snore chin strap brings your jaw forward, keeps your mouth closed, and promotes better breathing, turning the noise down so everybody can sleep sound.
A good night's sleep is important to your good health. Be Quiet can help you breathe easier, snore less, and get a good night's sleep.